My bias is still towards the upside. I still think that we might push higher and break these highs because we still overall bullish, no matter what we've been going through. Like, might take out this liquidity at the top here before we decide to change direction. I don't know. Going to enter this one with reduced risk as usual, and we're going to look to take out recent lows. I am out, told them I'm out, told them I'm exiting the trade, closing with my profits. I entered with a larger lot size as usual, so the account is now back at. Boom, welcome to another video. It's currently Tuesday the 14th of May 2024 and we're looking at NAS. Like, news happened at 8:30 clearly, like this monster of a beer candle with a wick that's even larger than it. So I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't trade news because, being very honest, I don't know the correlation between what is good and what is bad and the movement of which and which pair. So, and I got wrecked because I needed enough time, so it helped me enough time. But would I learn it? Yes. Would I learn it now? I may perfect this strategy. So we're looking at NAS. Liquidity has been taken to the downside here. See if I can mark that up. Liquidity here, liquidity there, here, and these two as well. So liquidity has been taken to the downside, and you know me, I got this outlook towards price that once you take liquidity on one side, the other side is gonna do so. I'm moving with this whole, fair value gap thing, fair retracement type push up type thing. So yeah, just looking at price. That I should pull out the camera early and give y'all a little update and so not much, to be honest, to go off of. I don't have an entries yet. I was looking at this slight little pullback here, but it kind of looks like price might want to push a little bit further down, so I might get a better entry. And this move is also just touching the tip of this fair value gap. I don't know if y'all can see it well. Right here, there's a little gap there that price might be reacting off of. So yeah, let's see what happens there. Price might want to come down, but let me just see. We don't have any lows that I would want to be broken, but if this low right here is broken impulsively to the downside, I am in for a sell. Now my bias is still towards the upside. I still think that we might push higher and break these highs because we still overall bullish, no matter what we've been going through. Like, might take out this liquidity at the top here before we decide to change direction. I don't know. It doesn't look like we're changing direction right now because this sweep, this long wick here, even on the hourly, I think even the 4 hourly is a wick, right? So it's a sweep there, and we might want to push higher. So the 4 hourly got 2 minutes and something. Like, I wait until after 10 because Powell speaks at 10. So this A was what, PPI or CPI? I don't even have it up on my chart. So just get rid of that. PPI. Today's Tuesday, no? Yeah, I see me, man. So we had PPI and Powell speaks it. So I'm gonna wait. I wait after 10 anyways, according to some backtesting I did yesterday, and not really backtesting, but backtesting in my journal. I checked the trades that I was successful on and the trades that I was unsuccessful on, and most of the trades that I was unsuccessful on, it was before 10 a.m. And the thing is, I checked the trades because after the trades played out and took my stop loss, it actually gave me an opportunity to get in using my risk parameters. Imagine that. I probably would have gotten in on this one as well before 10 because look, it gave me an impulsive break. Liquidity was taken to the upside, but not really whole ones. Maybe this one was taken from Monday. So yeah, we had a push, but I know that this fair value gap still exists up here on the 5 that nothing is traced into. And look at what price doing. It no longer, well, almost a little bit more, and I no longer have a buy trade. I am now looking at this price for possible sell. Don't want to get in too early, but let's see what happens. Alright. Looks like that low was broken impulsively. It's not a break and a close. Alright, so we gotta wait. Still gotta wait. Alright, I think I'm gonna go in this going to enter this one with reduced risk as usual. And we're going to look to take out recent lows. But I was just saying that this market bullish. I was just saying that this market ain't that like weird. I was just saying this market bullish. Alright, let me see what's going on. SL below all the going for all of those. Trading modifying. I didn't get in exactly at the retracement, and like I got in here at the end there instead of the top there. The move still happened, thankfully. Alright. I could aim right here if I want to one or here. So if this price is still bullish, I would not, risk staying in too long. Ideally, I would aim for 160. It's after 10 for well and speed. That's where I got into this trade. This is where my stop loss is, or is above here. This is where my stop loss is. My take profit should be at a 1 to 2. Cool. Going to update you guys instead of keeping the camera rolling. It should be a short trade if I'm stopped out. If not, then probably an hour, maybe a bit longer than that. Could be shorter than that for TP as well. So let me see what's going on. I'm going to check back in with you guys. Alright, good. So we back a couple hours later. As you could see, I lost that first trade. That was an L. Not send that out. But the second trade right here, I sent out to the community, but I told them, if I'm being very honest, the stop is below 200, is at 200 exactly. But I'm looking at this price action, and honestly, I want to bring it up to like 219, 220. Yeah, 220 exact. I am out, told them I'm out, told them I'm exiting the trade, closing with my profits. I entered with a larger lot size as usual, so the account is now back at 6,100. When I say as usual, right, I meant like with the required amount of risk, as I entered this trade like K and stop loss was right there, so it was like losing $30 if it hit my stop loss, but the potential gain was larger because it was a largest lot size. So loss is not fully recovered for last week. I still like, I ain't even gonna count how much down I done from last week. Last week was last week, this week is this week's side. So for this week I am also down 100. Yeah, because I lose 100 yesterday. Damn. Anyways, still watching the price. It looks like it's gonna keep dropping further, but I'm out. I don't want to keep going into them trades. I don't like how this feel when I have larger lot sizes open. Immediately after I opened this trade and I went like this much down in profit, I brought my stop loss to like break even, just a little bit over break even. So if price just came up a little bit more from where I entered this trade, I would have been stopped out. So from the time it come down like hey, I move my stop to like there, price do this. Well, after this candle, like at the close of this candle, I move my stop, price do all of this. If it come back up at any point, I would have been out, and it just comes straight down, which is nice. That would be like perfect market conditions. They don't happen, so I'm not looking forward to that repeating. It's just good that it happened at one time. But this is the trade, man. This, I'm done for the day. I think it's like $40 or $50 profit for the day, because I end up making 150 but lose 50. Oh no, 130, lose 50, and these are the $10 and $8 and $32 was when yesterday. Yeah, that was yesterday. So it's like $40 profit for the day, because I had like $90 loss, but I'm still up for the day and I'm down for. I'm good. Honestly, I'm good with $50 a day, even though I'm not where I was at the beginning of last week in terms of like percentage gain in the account and closer to my profit target. Yes, it does feel a type of way, but I think it's better for me to have the same approach that I had coming out the drawdown, approaching my target as well. Just keep the same mindset, just risk as little as possible, aim for as little as, not necessarily as a little, but aim for the low hanging fruit, the minimum my profit or the minimum my trading style would allow me to aim for, the amount of profit that I get. Just, I don't want to use the word being contented, but just the lowest hanging fruit, be good with that and move on to the next trade. And for today, it's a win. It's a freaking win. I needed this win, to be honest. 4 consecutive losses because this morning as well was a lot. So also the chat needed this win because the idea looking good. But regardless, we stuck to our rules. We stuck to our parameters, and I ain't doing anything outside of that. So yeah, that's I think that should be it for this video, man. I really don't want to make these videos, keep making these videos long. As I said, I'm probably saying it in every video now, but you already know how it is. I'll catch y'all in the next one tomorrow. Hopefully we come out to do, just repeat these, not repeat these results, but the winning results. Matter of fact, even if these results repeat, I won't mind. You win some, you lose some. As long as you're overall profitable and you control risk, hey, go for it. So, until next time, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Bye, have a great time.